Hello and welcome, and today we'll be making this AutoCAD drawing, this technical drawing right here. So open AutoCAD, create a new document, make sure you select AutoCAD and hit open. So first thing we're going to notice is that the on the top and the bottom it's 7 inches, on the side is 3.5 when you add all these numbers together. So we're just going to start by making a rectangle. So hit F8 to turn your work on, 7, 3.5, 7, and just hit C to close. Double click the mouse wheel and pin out a bit to zoom in. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do this curve, which has a radius of 1, and just remember 2.5 because that'll be the distance to the curve, that'll be how long the curve is going to be. 3.5 with 2.5. So, what we're going to do, we're going to click diameter, not diameter, we're going to click the circle right here, and we're going to hit center radius. So in the corner, in the left corner, we're just going to type in 1, and remember the 2.5, because we're going to be moving this to the right 2.5, right click, hit the center point, the base point, move it 2.5. Then click the line and just hit shift right click, and hit the quadrant option, and you should see like a little rhombus right here, and just go to the side as long as you want. Then we're going to be hitting the trim, and you're going to hit right click to get rid of the excess. And just click these lines right here, top of the circle, and there you have your curve. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the wheels in the bottom. I'm going to call this a car, or a circle in the bottom. First thing we're going to do is going to do the outside circle, which has a radius of 1. We're going to keep on the radius, go in the corner right here, 1. And do the same thing on the other side, 1. And since it's have a radius, this has a radius of 1, we're going to be moving it also 1 inch. So, hit the move icon, hit the center, hit the corner, and then type in 1, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Right click, and 1. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the inside circle. It might not look like it yet, but we're still getting to this. We're going to trim the top part of this after we do the inside circle. And the diameter, it's diameter that's of the circle with the line through means. We're going to trade the drop down menu, and hit center diameter. We're going to do the center of this, we're going to do 1.5. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Click 1.5. Now we're going to trim the excess. No, where am I back? So, right click. We're just going to get rid of all that excess. And just hit the erase tool and erase all the ones right here. Okay, perfect. Just right click, to erase it, and there we have our little bus, or car, however you want to call it. So we're going to do this little circle at the top first. So it's a distance of 1.5 and it's down 0.6. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a circle. The diameter of this is 0.8. Make sure to keep on the diameter. Do 0.8. I'm going to click the move, right click, right click, then hit the corner and then move it to the side, 1.5, then hit the move icon again, click the center of it, 0.6. There you have your first one. And now instead of doing this one, we're going to be doing this one right here. So we're going to be doing this one here, the one directly under it. So that's down 1.4. So this is really simple. So the diameter of this is 1. So just make a circle around the 0.6 one. 1. There's 1. Left click, right click. Hit the center of those two circles. 1.4. There you go. And now we're going to hit mirror. Yep. We're going to hit this. And we're going to go, this is a 1.5. 7 plus 3 is 4, so those are going to be 4 inches apart, because you take the 1.5, which is the difference from this, and 1.5, and you subtract those from 7, which is the distance of the whole thing, and you get 4, so these are going to be 4 inches apart from each other. We'll type in. So, we're going to be hitting the copy. Right click, left click, we're going to be hitting there. We're going to 4 apart from each other, and you should get the exact same thing. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the little circle right here. It's actually quite simple. So 3.5 minus 1.5 is 2. So the distance from these two should be 2. And the diameter of this is 0.8. So, make this, do 0.8, we're going to hit the middle of that. We're going to hit move, right click, left click, the center back, hit 0.8. Oh, sorry, my bad. It was not when I was, sorry, it was 2, not 0.8. 0.8 was the diameter. So we're going to be doing that. Do that, 0.8. Move. Do that, and then 2. And there we have it. There is your little car. And so you're just going to hit the drop down A. You're going to hit save as, and save as for car. And then you're all done. Thank you for watching.